How to get better baseball stat visualizations from spreadsheets. Imagine turning your simple data into eye-catching charts that tell a story about players' performances. That's what good visualizations can do for your baseball stats. Start by organizing your raw data clearly. List player names, positions, and key stats like at-bats, hits, runs, and runs batted in. Make sure each category has its own column and that data is consistent. Clean data helps prevent errors and makes your visuals more accurate. Use spreadsheet features like PivotTables and PivotCharts. PivotTables let you group data by players, teams, or seasons. For example, you can see total hits for each player across multiple seasons. PivotCharts then turn that data into visual formats like bar or line charts. These charts update automatically when you change your data, making analysis easier. Create calculated fields to develop advanced metrics. For baseball, common ones are batting average, which is hits divided by at-bats, and on-base percentage, which considers hits, walks, and hit by pitches. Slugging percentage looks at total bases per at-bat. You can also calculate wins above replacement, a measure of a player's overall value. Adding these metrics to your data gives a clearer picture of performance beyond raw numbers. Conditional formatting is another helpful tool. Use it to highlight high or low values. For example, color cells green for high batting averages or red for low ones. This makes standout players or recent improvements instantly visible. Adding trend lines or sparklines within your spreadsheet can show how a player's performance changes over time. For example, a sparkline can display a player's batting average across each game in a season. This visual cue helps identify slumps or streaks quickly. Link individual player sheets to a master sheet that compiles all data. This setup allows you to compare players side by side or create leaderboards. It also makes updating stats easier since changes in one sheet automatically reflected across your analysis. If your spreadsheet software supports it, explore interactive charts. These can include hover effects that show detailed stats when you move your mouse over a data point. Interactive visuals make your analysis more engaging and easier to explore. Keep your visualizations simple and focused. Use clear labels, legends, and titles so viewers understand what they're seeing. Avoid clutter by limiting the number of data series on one chart. By organizing your data well, using pivot tables and pivot charts, creating useful metrics, and designing clean visuals, you can turn basic spreadsheets into powerful tools for baseball analysis. This approach makes your stats more understandable and helps you spot trends and player strengths more easily.